Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to open my subscription box, and this one is for March 2026. It's called Fluttering Gardens, and you guys, it's the Stampin' Up! Birthday again, so we're getting 2 stamps. So let's open this up. I love my subscription. It comes every month right into my mailbox, and I get free tissue paper. I also get free chipboard. It comes with it. So let's go ahead and see what we got. It comes with the basic gray Stampin' spot. And what else does it come with? Let's see. I'm not going to show the stamps yet because inside here it might have a picture already, which will be much easier to see. So this comes with some glitter enamel dots and some dimensionals mini. Oh, I already love the envelopes. How many cards are we going to be making? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards. All right, love that. Forget about it. Look at this ephemera. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that. All right, and then we have the card bases. We've got, are they all the same? They're all the same. That's very rare. Okay, no, they're not all the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them are the same. And then 7, 8, 9 are about the same, but they have this little circle in here. So I don't know if that's a guide or what yet, but we will find out. Here's my free chipboard. And here are the stamps. So we've got, let's see, we've got this one here, which is those hummingbirds. Oh, I love this beautiful hello. Wishing you a happy anniversary, birthday wishes, some little flowers, and then some speckle. And then on this side, we have these guys here fitting perfectly there. And they are a vine with some flowers. I don't know what kind of flowers they are. Could they be lilies? I don't think lilies. Okay, I got a message during my recording, but I don't know what you saw, but it's got these beautiful flowers. And then this one here, which looks to be the inside of this. Don't know what type of flower it is. And then this vine as well, so you could see that. But these hummingbirds are gorgeous. Beautiful, and they're gonna match so well with that. And I'm gonna have to take a picture of this so I know how to color those hummingbirds once I send those out, and because I get to still use my stamps. Oh, and then it's got this. It's got this big, huge thank you. It's got 3 sheets of it. It's got, I'm so grateful for you. Have a Mother's Day. What's that going to say in there? Have a Mother's, oh, here we go. Have a beautiful Mother's Day. That's gonna, at least that's what I'm thinking. We'll see in just a minute. And then this flag here. So we've got 3 sheets of those, and now let's see what we're making. Oh yes, it does have a beautiful Mother's Day. That is going to be gorgeous. We're gonna stamp here, and then we're gonna lift up with dimensionals, and then add those glitter dots. And then this one, look at all those hummingbirds. We're gonna stamp the flowers down here and put that big, huge thank you. And then this one, we're going to make a wreath. Which one are we going to use for that wreath? Oh, this round one right here. So we'll stamp it twice, it looks like. Once this way, once that way. We'll put that I'm so grateful for you sticker, or not sticker, paper. And then we're going to add the 2 hummingbirds. This is so cute, you guys. I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is everything that came in this month's kit. Super excited for it. And then, of course, with these, I just grab my large sticker or stamp pad to use it, and then I save my little stamp pads. But because you have other stamp pads or other maybe previous colors from a previous subscription box, you could use such different colors. And any of those colors would just be beautiful on there. So, all right, beauties, I hope you like this. Unfortunately, you can't get this month any longer, but you can get next month. All you have to do is go to beautyandthestamper.com and go to my shop, and you'll be able to grab yourself a paper pumpkin for next month. I hope you like this. If so, please give me a big thumbs up or a big heart or wherever you see this. But thank you so much for being beauties, and I hope you have a wonderful day. All right, take care. Bye.